Ethereum's monster rally is lighting the fuse for altcoins, and Pepe might be the next to explode. With Ether smashing past $4,700 and traders piling into meme coins, Pepe has already surged 20% this week, but analysts say it could still run another 56% to a new all-time high. So if you have any interest in Pepe or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I am going to be telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin, and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price-boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 14th of August, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 1,231 units, with 4 zeros. Pepe's price is up 0.4% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.3 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $5.1 billion, ranking it as the 39th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Ethereum surge shifts focus to altcoins as speculation heats up. The Ethereum breakout above its multi-year hurdle and Bitcoin's weekend rally have caused increased expectations of an altcoin season. Analysts suggest a pause in the uptrend for these top cryptos could pave the way for altcoins to explode if macro conditions remain relatively stable. In just 4 months, Ethereum has more than tripled owing to the massive inflow of capital from digital asset treasuries and spot U.S. exchange trade funds. Bitcoin has also seen a similar ascent, rising more than 600% in the past 2 years. The conditions are lining up for an altcoin season. Shashank Sripatta, co-founder and chief operating officer of generative AI network Gaia, told Decrypt. Historically, altcoin season begins as capital rotates into risky tokens as the top cryptos pause their explosive rally. CoinAnalyze data shows a clear dominance of altcoins compared to Ethereum. An uptick in this metric reveals increased speculation and leverage. The CoinGlass Alt Season Index, which measures all non-Bitcoin assets against BTC, is still sitting at 39 after having most recently peaked at 88 in early December. João Wedson, founder and CEO of crypto data analytics platforms Fractal, said, "Altcoin fun is just getting started, and it could last until November," in an X post. Ethereum's recent price performance, driven mostly by institutional interest in the asset and ETF inflows, could fuel the altcoin season. Last week's $325 million inflow for the second largest crypto far exceeded the top crypto's $247 million. It shows Ethereum is playing catch-up with Bitcoin ETF inflows. That kind of progress tends to pull capital into quality altcoins across the board, explained Sripatta. With the narrative firmly focused on Ethereum, Sripatta said, money will likely rotate into projects built tightly around Ethereum. The top 5 altcoins based on open interest and volume include Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and Athena. Other Ethereum betas include Lido DAO, Chainlink, Shiba Inu, Pepe coin, and Floki. Analysts that previously spoke to Decrypt also hinted that betas to top cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum are likely to see an explosive leg, but also caution that macroeconomic conditions remain sensitive and could disrupt this bullish outlook. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Top meme coin gainers: WIF Pepe, Doge lead market rally. New speculative interest has swept through the meme coin market today, with top tokens DogWifat, Pepe, Doji, Shib, Bonk, and Floki all posting high-volume double-digit gains. Let's break down the key movers and see which of these rallies have real strength behind them. 2025 trend. This isn't just a one-day event. Here's our deep dive on how meme coins have been outperforming the market all year. From Dogecoin's renewed push toward the $0.25 mark to Pepe's steady climb past its consolidation zone, traders found plenty of short-term opportunities. Significantly, higher volume accompanied most moves, hinting that the surge may have further room to run, although key resistance levels loom. Dog WIF led with a 14.22% gain, climbing to $1.03 after reversing an early dip. The coin's upward push was reinforced by a sharp rise in volume, now at $443 million. Holding above the $1.00 support could pave the way for a $1.05 to $1.07 test. Likewise, Pepe gained 9.56%, breaking free from a base near 1,128 units. Sustaining above 1,200 units may encourage a breakout toward 1,240 units, while a drop below 1,180 units risks short-term cooling. Pepe rides Ether's $5,000 wave on the way to smash new all-time high. Pepe token, the largest meme coin on Ethereum's POS network aside from Shiba Inu, is looking to catch some of the parent chain's shine. As Ether posts the best price run in over 4 years, Pepe also inked 20.6% gains since last week. Pepe ready to leapfrog into a fresh ATH? Major cap Ethereum meme coins are now regarded as sleeping giants by some crypto connoisseurs, who are expecting Pepe's price to bounce off the current 1,200 unit price corridor. According to the latest analysis by Castillo Trading, the next target retest Pepe's all-time high of 2,803 units hit over 8 months ago, according to CoinGecko's stats. The question remains, can Pepe token throw down the gauntlet to Dogecoin for the largest meme coin status? Well, both cryptocurrencies are standing out from the regular meme coin crowd due to daily trading volumes in the billions. However, Dogecoin operates on its own blockchain, running on a proof-of-work consensus. Pepe's further price behavior depends on. Pepe token is now urged to break the red label Bollinger Band, but in order for the crypto bulls to break through the 1,263 unit level, a few things have to fall in place first. Firstly, crypto whales shall not hurry to take profits like they did a week ago when the Chaikin money flow turned negative after a double-digit bounce-back rally. So far, the CMF meter stands at 0.13, which means crypto whales are still trying to get a piece of Pepe, expecting the price to rise further. Meanwhile, the parabolic stop and reverse also flashed a favorable entry point on the meme coin asset, depicted by the blue dots mirroring below Pepe's price in the chart below. With Ethereum rolling past $4,700, Pepe coin is poised to respond with a similar rally, judging by Castillo's technical analysis and the independent research findings by Daily Coin's team. Surely, a steady high trading volume is a must for Pepe's way to a new all-time peak, as there's still 56% to cover, in contrast to Ether's 3.3% distance from the all-time record hit over 4 years ago. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1,000x potential altcoins.